Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis before in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. We want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend, and just give a little bit more perspective. I wanted to scrunch up the chart here real quick just to kind of show, and we are going to talk about the chart from this point of view. So on that note, I'm going to get rid of that red line there. Sure, that pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, and I just wanted to have things be as clean as possible. And same with that level down there. No need to, yes, that still pertains, but it's by no means relevant at this point in time. So in order to make this clean and just kind of accomplish the question of, hey, Clay, look, just summarize this for me quickly. It's the weekend. Summarize it. Channel pattern. That's how I would summarize it. And I want to kind of talk about the channel pattern, and that's why I wanted to scrunch up the chart so that you could hopefully see this. Now, the bottom part of the channel down here at $9, which is represented by this green line. And like I said, I drew these lines. I don't remember when the last time I did it. If you follow the videos, maybe you do remember this, but I don't think I've done a video for the past couple of weeks. The point here being that you can see that whenever the bears have tried to press down below this area, it's not exact, but supports and resistances are more so ranges. But you can see that the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding strong on each and every one of those occasions. On the flip side, though, the same is true for up there around the $10.60 mark. On multiple occasions, the bears have gotten within the range. I realize they didn't quite hit it, but got within the range. Here you can see it actually went out a little bit above it. And then even today, right there, didn't quite hit it, but got within the range and has knocked it back down. So that's where the channel pattern's coming in. Again, $9 bottom of the channel pattern, up there at $10.60 is going to be, the resistance portion. Now, as far as supports, ideally speaking, now that the pink line here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average, has crossed above the green line, this has top priority. So on any sort of pullbacks, this is really the ideal level that you want to see the price stay above. If the price drops below it, I'm not going to say that everything's totally ruined, because again, you'd still have the bottom portion of the channel to act as support. But what's going to make the chart look the best going forward? Definitely the price staying up above the pink line there. So all in all, it's been volatile, but not really volatile in the sense of all over the place, because when you take a step back and look, it's just essentially been volatile within this range here and the channel pattern. So we'll see if the bulls can get a breakout, or if the bears can get a breakdown this next week. But it's just kind of a pops and popcorn, and let's see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.